How to gift a Claude AI subscription. All you need to do is search up Claude.ai/gift and then simply press enter. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a paid account or a free account, or if you upgraded in the past, you can send gifts no matter what. Once you're on that link, simply choose a plan of which you want to gift to the other person, and then you have the option to personalize your gift. You can pick a card color, an optional message, and then you can choose to send via email or generate a shareable link so you can share it across all platforms. Now, from their perspective, all they need to do is click the link and then sign into their already existing Claude account, or they can create a new account. And yes, you can still gift them if they already have a subscription. It just adds on to their subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.